Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Oh, shall I stay? Would it be a sin? Oh, if I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too. Oh, for I can't help falling in love with you. Oh, like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Won't take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. Oh, for I can't help falling in love with you. Kiss me out of the bearded barley nightly, beside the green grass. Swing, swing, swing this penny step. You wear the shoes and I wear that dress. So kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Lead me out on the moonlit floor. Lift your open hand, strike up the band and make the fireflies dance. Silver moon sparkling. So kiss me. Kiss me down by the broken treehouse. Swing me up on its hanging tire. Bring your flowered hat. We'll take the trail marked on your father's map. Oh, kiss me.
You promise to be a companion to Samantha in all of her successes and failures, her happiness and sadness, and to always give her your unwavering support.
I do.
Do you, Samantha, promise to love Daniel and respect him, to share your life and your dreams, to build a home with him full of love, happiness, commitment, and growth?
I do.
By the power trusted in me by the two of you, I now pronounce you husband and wife. If there was ever a time for a perfect kiss, this is it.
Kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Lead me out on the moonlit floor. Lift your open hand, strike up the band.
Their love is genuine and it's inspiring. I know their future will be built on the same foundation that brought them here today. Here's to Sam and Daniel.
To the both of you, thank you for giving us another example of how love should be. Even though things haven't always been perfect, you've shown us the importance of fighting for the person you love.
Their partnership grows and is exemplified as they build their beautiful family together.